What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory. Safety is #1 priority and today we're gonna need fire extinguisher close by. Adult supervision, kids, don't do anything crazy. So all we're gonna need is a lighter, you see, normal lighter. So let's do some magic. But the magic thing is a pen. All you need is this thing. Let's show you how to do it. So first thing you're gonna do is take off this thing, metal part. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do it for you so you can see really well. And then the pen, I took it out, you see, you pull this thing out, so, and then you just like stick it into it and even blow to like, you see how black it is now, all in this stuff. Let's see how it's done. You see what happens? And of course you can regulate it to make it better, you see. It takes a lot of practice to actually be able to do a good one. But yeah, you can make bigger fire, smaller fire. You see how it works? That's pretty much it. That's the secret right here. Tell me in comments how is it possible scientifically.